What are those peoples? We got the Tesla meetup at the 7-Eleven. And since we got the Tesla meetup at the 7-Eleven, and he getting ganged up on. That's the Tesla Model Y. Tesla Model Y getting ganged up on by the roaster. That's the roaster. They both roasters. One's you see. So we called his buddy up. We doing an unboxing. I know, I got the weirdest unboxings ever. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? He gonna roll up. Now he right there. He got his buddy. And then we got the first Matchbox added to the collection. Another Tesla roaster. They called their buddies up too. So now they trying to meet up at the track. Let's see what they do.